birds, insects, and water animals. Let's see if you can figure out the riddles. Listen to the riddle about birds, insects, or water animals. Say the name of the bird, insect, or water animal you think the riddle is about. Go to the next slide to see the answer. The first riddle. We are very small insects and we use sand to build our houses. We have 6 legs. We are ants. The next riddle. I use 2 wings to fly and I have a sharp beak. I can speak words that I hear over and over. I am sometimes kept as a pet. I am a parrot. Can you count to 8? That is how many legs I have. I live underwater. I am a octopus. I am very long and I don't always have feet. There are different types of me and my body bends easily. One of my types has 100 feet. I am a worm. The last riddle. Want to see a good show? I am very good at performing tricks. I look like a shark and I am a friend to humans. I am a dolphin. Now it is time to see if you can build some of your own words. Build as many words as you can using the beginning sound from column A and match it to column B. You will get 5 minutes. For example, I can take the H in column A and match it to the letters ut in column B. Then it will make the word hut. A sentence with hut. We build a round hut. Now it's your turn to see how many words you can build. The 5 minutes starts now. Good job. Let's see on the next slide what words you could have built. Words you could have built. Hot, red, rut, new, ant, tin, mom, mew, fin, far, fed, and few. Complete Bunny Book, page 19, or the worksheet.